some basic commands for widgets. First, you want to be able to select the widget to do something with it. So to select the widget, you hold down Control and then left click. And you can see that the widget kind of darkens.
So again, Control and
hold down Control and left click. You can see that the widget itself darkens. That lets you know that it's selected. And all these commands are in the quick start guide that I gave you. So if you forget anything, it's there. Once you selected the widget, you can do some other things, like say we want to move the widget. So to move the widget, once it's selected, you press P, and that picks it up. It basically sticks it temporarily to the screen of your computer. So now when I move around, you can see that that widget is moving. Now this is where it's slightly less intuitive. A lot of people are expecting the widget to move and it look like the widget itself is moving. But whereas it kind of looks like everything else is moving. Yeah, in essence, what's happening is a good way to visualize ZOE is, because ZOE is kind of a infinite 3D canvas, right? So you have different items at different levels, correct? So at the highest level, you have your computer screen, and everything else is below that computer screen. So you can have a widget that is here and a widget that's here. If you're going to move it, you're basically taking this widget, sticking it to your screen, moving it around, and then dropping it down to wherever. So it's like layers. That's a good way to think about it. Yeah. So at first,
P?
yeah, P picks it up. And then if you press P again, it will place it back down. So again, Control, left click to select it, P, pick it up, move with your middle by holding down your middle scroll wheel, and then P again to place it down. So that's one of the biggest thing that people get used to, the fact that it appears as though everything else is moving, but in essence, you're moving that widget that you want it to.
You're moving the whole screen.
Exactly.